Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's discuss Pepe. See what is happening with Pepe and where we could see the price of Pepe going as we do go further into the month of October, and of course as we go and close out the year of 2023. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So if you guys are noticing that there is a difference in the overall, microphone, if you guys can not hear me too clearly, apologies on that. I'm not in my regular studio, so just bear with me on that. But if we're looking at the markets today on the daily time frame, we're seeing some massive gainers loom up about 30%, RPL up 16.7, TWT up 11.8%, but majority of the market is still in green, so we're seeing the overall momentum carry on to today. But as far as Pepe is concerned, if we're looking at the price, there's still about 6 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 648, down about 1% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, down 0.7% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $272.2 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at almost 20 million. So what we're seeing is that, the price of Pepe has been pretty much hanging around this range for quite some time. We've seen Pepe go through quite a bit. The team hasn't really been pulling, the strings that we should be seeing, a team with the overall community like Pepe. Just the team has not been doing too much. Of course, we did hear some really negative news come out over the past 2 to 3 months, which really did impact the price of Pepe, and of course the overall confidence that the investors have in this meme coin. But the last engagement, or the last time they've been active, was 2 days back. They did retweet the Ledger's tweet, and that is what's happening right now. So of course they are being active. Of course, some investors like that because being completely ghost, that is not something a lot of people want. And the more they post, the more they show active momentum, that will cause I think more confidence in investors as far as a meme coin is concerned. But at the end of the day, it's still a meme coin. It's still listed on all the big exchanges, and it still has that first mover advantage as far as 2023 meme coins go. And it still could potentially be the meme coin of the year, but the team needs to step things up. But what I'm seeing is, like I said, the confidence is building up once again. If you see from September 30th, you can see the overall holder count is increasing. So a lot of accumulation has been happening. A lot of investors are putting Pepe in their portfolio, and this is why we're seeing the overall chart for the holders increasing in organic growth, and that is something positive that I can point out right now for Pepe. But what is next for the price? That is what you guys are waiting for. But before I get into that, guys, just a quick announcement. I want you guys to all go subscribe to my second channel, link in the description box below. This is going to be where I post the latest news. Everything crypto related news is going to be posted on this separate channel. So please take 30 seconds out of your time to go subscribe to this channel. At 500 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway, and also I'll be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So please go do that. But now let's get right into price. So looking at the price of Pepe, if we're looking at some buy orders, pretty much seeing buy orders coming here and there. But as far as the price is concerned, that is what everyone is here for. So you can see this for yourself. Pretty much since losing the support on July 21st, you can see the importance of that support line. We did see the price of Pepe drop down of almost 60%, and you can see we did make our way down to the 6083 zone, and we pretty much also retested that just the other day, like 2 days back. But we've seen a little bit of a bounce because of course the market is reacting. You can see this for yourself. We're seeing quite a bit of green across the board, so obviously Pepe is also going to see that. But before this, we did see the price go up all the way to this 84.25. A lot of people were saying that this could be the time for a reversal, but look where we got stopped at. You cannot make this up. We got stopped out at that previous resistance. You can see this for yourself. Of course, that is going to come in the way of Pepe as we do go towards the upside, and you can see as we were going towards the upside, that resistance did come into the way, and we have seen a rejection. Reason being, of course, not much volume as of now. We don't have as much buying pressure for Pepe, but hopefully we do see more buying pressure coming in. Right now, one thing I do want you guys to be paying attention to is the price of Bitcoin, because if we're looking at Bitcoin right now, still in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but we are creating higher highs and higher lows. So the overall structure for Bitcoin is pretty bullish in my opinion, and we are seeing a lot of positive news coming out once again. I shared this with you guys in my previous update for Solana. Institutions are picking up the bloodbath right now. Institutions are getting ready for the Bitcoin halving, and the smart money is accumulating right now. Sure, there's so much negative news coming around, and there is a war that's happening, but there is, of course, so much uncertainty due to that fact, but institutions are seeing the bigger picture. Of course, smart money is seeing the bigger picture. Bitcoin is happening, is coming. Nothing is going to stop that from happening. So accumulation is happening as we speak, but of course, I want the price of Bitcoin to be in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. If we're looking at the Bitcoin dominance, it's at 50.79%, still quite high. Could be potentially hitting a new yearly high for Bitcoin dominance this year too, because the yearly high is at 52%, and we are pretty close to that as of now. So what is exactly next for Pepe, you may be asking? So right now, of course, we are holding around the levels, pretty much sitting at some lows, and in order for us to see some positive momentum, we do need to see a bounce around this range and towards this level of resistance. And if this level of resistance were to be able to break out, then I really think Pepe has a chance to head towards this resistance at the 14.99 zone. So that is what I'm looking at. Those are some targets that I will be aiming for Pepe, but at the end of the day, sure, there is confidence once again building up. People are putting Pepe in their portfolio. Some people are saying that this is going to be the next Shiba Inu. People are saying that it is going to have that bull cycle. It's just going through some FUD. But one thing I want you guys to clearly note is that the team hasn't been doing too much, and that is really important. If you think that is not important, I would really suggest you guys to do some research on that, because if the team is not delivering, if the team is not being active, investors are not going to care about the project. And when investors don't care about the project, the project starts dying down, less interest. These massive exchanges that have listed this are going to delist it off of their exchange, because majority of these exchanges have listed it in the innovation zone, and they can delist it at any time they want. So these are some factors we need to keep in mind. But let me know down below what you guys think. Where could you see the price of Pepe going before we close out the year of 2023? And do you really think that there is a chance for Pepe to make a massive recovery? Let me know in the comment section, of course. And as always, thank you so much for all your support. You guys absolutely kill it. And also let me know if you guys want to see more continuous Pepe updates, and I will start bringing those to you guys once again. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.